The best way to build a culture of inquiry is to make it a consistent academic routine. I created this full course Inquiry Master Bundle to provide a standardized framework for data literacy and source synthesis across your entire curriculum. This bundle provides a complete cycle of inquiry for every major unit you teach because the routines, like the scenario-based labs and source evaluation tables, remain consistent. Your students get better at the actual skill of thinking as the year progresses. You are implementing a year-long pedagogy, not just a series of activities. The heavy lifting of planning and aligning your entire year of student-led inquiry is finished. Every unit includes the keys and prompts you need to act as a high-level facilitator for Socratic seminars, debates, and independent research. By adopting this as your year-long system, you are providing a predictable, admin-approved level of rigor for all your classes. It's a zero-prep solution that allows you to focus on leading great discussions instead of spending your nights drafting new lab procedures or research rubrics. If you're ready to put your entire year of student-led inquiry on autopilot with a proven system, this master bundle is ready for you. It's the ultimate investment in your students' development as critical thinkers and in your own personal time.